I have a new gadget. 77 pence that cost me from Temu. I'm going to show you what it does. This is me getting ready to drill a hole in a wall. This is me actually drilling a hole in a wall, the old-fashioned way. This is me about to drill a hole the modern way with my 77 pence Temu gadget. No faffing around with a hoover. Look at that. Look at all that lovely dust. In a very short second, I'm going to drill another hole with this. I'm going to do it extremely zoomed in and slow motion so you can really see it in action. For now, though, I'm just letting you know this is the first of quite a lot of videos like this that I'm going to be doing. I've been getting a bit carried away with Temu. I've bought loads of little gadgets and interesting tools and bits and pieces like that. Press the subscribe button, get yourself notified as they come out and you can watch them. Let's see it again, but a close-up this time. And the final bit in slow motion for dramatic effect. So what do you think? Is it worth 77 pence? Give it a little thumbs up if you think it is. Goodbye for now.